We have 2 thumbs up. Drivers, hands off controllers in 3, 2, 1, go!
And VV Robots and Pioneer immediately race into that closed section. They're going to pick up those preset artifacts. We're seeing a lot in here. Red Alliance takes the lead early on in autonomous period, but Blue Alliance is going to try and catch up high voltage, draining those shots from the backboard. 25656, Pioneer grabbing from the gate as much as they can. They're going to try and catch up here with the last 10 seconds to go in auto, but Red Alliance might not let that happen. 16010 draining shots from the far side continuously. Red Alliance not letting any artifacts
Drivers,
stay
pick up
in
your
that ramp
controllers.
off of auto. Blue might get away with some motif points there. We have 10 seconds. 96 to 45. Red Alliance. This is still doable for the Blue Alliance. We're going to see a lot of scrambling here, especially over by the red tunnel with the amount of artifacts over there. And that blue ramp is going to need to drop soon enough. Looks like 16010 is staying over there, waiting for that to happen. We might see some Red Alliance going over there, stealing like a thief. Blue Alliance needs to drop that gate. And 16010 is there to take advantage of that. Lots of good. Oh, long shot from the Red Alliance. We're seeing 16010 try and set up a flow over there in the back. Nameplate is off, but that's not going to stop them. 19116 doing the same thing they always do, just cycling away over by that ramp. Blue Alliance needs to put up some points if they want this game to go their way. And Pioneer drop is going to try and drop that gate, but not let 16010 take advantage of it. Too bad. 16010 is right there, getting close. Artifacts just stray everywhere. We're seeing a lot of traffic here. I'm getting shot at. Red Alliance, 19116 just doing the same thing, cycling at that gate. Pioneer is going to, or High Voltage is going to try and take advantage of that gate, those gate drops, those early gate drops by 19116. 16010 doing the same thing on the other side, and 19116 going over to the other side, getting in the way of Pioneer, trying to be a nuisance, trying to stop them from scoring. But we really just need to see some high scores here in the end. 261 points with the Red Alliance. And VV Robots just back at it, back at that cycle over by the gate. And we're seeing a lot of contact, a lot of pushing over by 16818, not letting 16010 get to that shooting zone. It doesn't look like it's going to be enough, though. We have 10 seconds left. Red Alliance is at 312 points. 312. They're going to keep scoring as much as possible. 16010 drains a couple shots in the last second and gets that full part. Match number 12. And your winner is the Red Alliance with a score of 376. Congratulations to VV Robots and FTC Michiana. Congratulations also to High Voltage, Arc Thunder, and Pioneer Robotics for a